Hello, we're Bonnie.
And John, traveling with our dog Fiona. Originally from Southern California, we left our jobs behind, sold everything, and set off for Portugal's Silver Coast.
Join us on this journey as we navigate Portuguese residency, build new friendships and community, and discover the rich history of Europe. These are the escapades of Bonnie and John.
So we came up to town about 30 minutes away from us today. It's called Espinho, little beach town. Take you on a tour of it. Pretty nice day today. So Espinho sits on the train line about 20 minutes south of Porto. Pretty easy to get to. So it's a nice city to possibly stay in. If you don't want to stay in Porto, have a little less hectic pace. Nice beach town. Looks like they're going to have some kind of surfboarding class going on right now.
Olá, bom dia. We're just here to see what's going on with the beach town. There was a lot of damage on the beaches over this winter due to like a hurricane that came in and hit, and it eroded all the beaches and took away a lot of the sand. So here, we knew the next beach down is Ovar, and we heard that it had really damaged those beaches. So today we're here and there's a lot of construction. John will show you, and we just kind of wanted to check it out. It's a cute town, has a nice little shopping street, and the train is right there in the middle of town and by the beach. So it makes it really convenient if you don't have a car or anything like that. So in front of us is the casino in Espinho. We've been there a few times. It's a lot of fun. They do have table games, mostly slots or video games. And it's pretty inexpensive to play, maybe €2 a hand or something like that. I know the roulette game is pretty cheap, which is what I like to play. But what's really awesome about it is that in the bar, beers are the same price that you would pay at your local bar. So you're looking at €2 or €3 for a bottle of beer or a draft, and cocktails are like €5 or €7. So it's not marked up a lot like, other places in the States would be. And it's right here on the boardwalk across from the ocean. This is the park, I guess, the main park that we know of in Espinho. And right now it's pretty quiet. I mean, there's people around, but none of the restaurants are open or anything. But in the winter, they have a Christmas market here, and we'll put some video on screen that shows how cute it is. And it's fun to come to. They have like the vendors that sells food and bafanas and churros and all the good stuff.
So we're about to wrap up our day in Espinho. Hope you enjoyed this video. So like and subscribe. Till next time. Ciao.